perception continues to resurface as a challenge in hydrogen, where the public are concerned at least. Do you think there is still a perception problem with hydrogen safety? Do we need more messages like Jaco's around the mileage that he's done?
Yes, I do believe in this. I have an example in my house. Okay, my wife is a chemical engineer. Okay, and worked also with me in the beginning in our first company. Okay, and when 2 years ago, when I moved from the other companies to PRF, okay, I said to him, okay, our target is to produce. Okay, we will not produce yet, but to install some air refilling station for hydrogen. And they comment with me, but if something wrong will happen, this will blow everything. And she is also technical, okay? And I think it's my wife have this idea about hydrogen. I think the general people will have the same idea, okay? When we talk with also people from lots of universities and other schools and so on, the old people like me or older or maybe younger people like me, they have a terrible problem. They remember, with my age, I think the people remember this tragedy with the space shuttle when they blow in the sky, okay? And maybe older people remember maybe by pictures these Zeppelin problems we had in the past in Germany and in some other countries, okay? And because the hydrogen burned everything and it was a tragedy, okay? But I think the young generation, okay, and we are starting to also do something about the hydrogen. Hydrogen, as I said, or as I say normally, it's a very common word. It's a very sexy word, okay? And the young generation are dealing with hydrogen much better than the old people like me, or okay, maybe not so old, okay? I think, okay, we made with an university, and I think lots of university are doing the same. We make or we develop or we help a university. This is an international group, working group. I see this called the MOLA or something like this. This is a consortium of lots of universities, and we made a challenge for this. And in Portugal, they decided to develop something about how the people feels. Okay, how could a dispenser be more friendly to a common citizen? Okay, and I think they decide to do. One of the point is this is not easy to pass it the message to people who normally are able only to fill the car with gasoline or diesel, because this is different. But for me, it is not so difficult because I use it in the more natural gas, compressed natural gas. But I remember 2 years ago when I filled the first time my car, I was a little afraid about this, okay? Then I think we must pass the message, and one of the message about this working group we have already was part of this group in university. It's how can you pass this message? Maybe in each of the filling stations, maybe we'll have more information, okay, regarding this, more videos, more information. This is okay, you must do this, and this is completely safe, and so on and so on.